some more, nigga. She banking on me on the bank. I smack her, she love to get spanked. I tackle her, bitch love to wrestle. Young bachelor, we love to play. So come out when I move the drapes. Know my move when I grab your waist. Know you fucking a man that's made. Hey, keep it low key, she ain't after fame. No, she ain't after fame. You ain't like that old hoe I used to be fucking. You don't have nothing the same. Don't care about no cuffing, you wanna keep busting it. Don't let me know when you came. I love you in so many ways. Don't know why you never complain. With you I can never be shamed. And I usually never say never. Oh shit, look at me today. Lay your vibe, I don't need no sage. Club coat and you call her glaze. Good sex, that ain't all we make. Wanna get tired of you. I'm in the box and we're at the top and we got us an ocean view. I know I got it, I'm all in the body and nobody got a clue. We in the coupe pulling up for the private at G5 on the 2. I really like it, I wanna stay excited, don't wanna get tired of you. You wake up and you wanna go shopping. Pick out a car, you got too many options. Bubblegum baby, yeah, you got it poppin'. Know what you do for the poppin'. Kilo, I'm all in my food, you suckin' sloppin'. You like the queen of the moppin'. Soon as I come, she keep suckin', I don't want her to stop it. Digging, I'm breaking up, backing, I'm stroking. I see why they cause a commotion. Hitting and looking at views of the ocean. Her pussy wet as an ocean. None of the business, I'm bossed by the way I'm approaching. I'm gonna wanna eat chosen. East to the west, we just really been coasting. Me and lil' baby in motion. Wanna get tired of you. I'm in the box and we're at the top and we got us an ocean view. I know I got it, I'm all in the body and nobody got a clue. We in the coupe pulling up for the private at G5 on the 2. I really like it, I wanna stay excited, don't wanna get tired of you. Wanna get tired of you. Wanna get tired of you.
We're gathered here together to celebrate this joyous occasion to wed Karla and Chris in holy matrimony. We have come together to celebrate once again in holy matrimony. We, Chris and Karla, each of you played an important part in their lives. So they welcome you, they thank you, and are so grateful to you for being a part of this joyous occasion. Marriage shouldn't be taken lightly. Marriage is a symbol of two individuals coming together, being fruitful, prospering, and a union. Chris, lean on Karla. Karla, lean on Chris. And both of you, lean on God, because He's the one to holding you together. Let this masterpiece of life be a symbol that no matter what, family bond is greater than any bond besides marriage. Family bond, as they put these pieces of sand together, no one can separate this bond that's been created by God and today here with their family. A symbol of life, hope, charity, and peace. A family bond for this family. Rings are often a symbol to seal important covenants. The promise ring, the graduation ring. But one of the most important rings is the wedding ring. A simple band of gold or precious metal to symbolize the love, the devotion, and the commitment made on this particular day. Having pledged your faith and love to each other, sealing your vows with the giving and receiving of rings. I now pronounce you husband and wife by the power vested in me through Jesus Christ and God and these witnesses. You may now kiss your bride.
Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be lie. Say yeah we did together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go stroking by. Your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want need to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day
you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. I prayed for this moment. I would be by your side. And I don't wanna forget those lonely nights. Ooh, so tell me that you gon' ride with me. Tell me that you never lie to me. I just wanna make you proud of me. Want you loving every side of me. I love the rhythm of your heartbeat. The way you pushing up on me. I can tell that you want me. Let me show you how it's gon' be. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you can hold my body. Only you can hold my body. You don't need no other body. Baby, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that, yes. No one wants you the same way.
Black till the morning. My head wants to turn from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me.
Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give you all you need. Give you all.
Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah.
You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
That's my brother. He always got my back. Karla, you definitely make him happy. Bruh, Jeremiah, Carter. Where Carter at? Running around here dancing or something. I love all y'all. I appreciate you guys all, and you guys are definitely like a family that welcomed me in. So I love you guys. Thank you.